Action News now. Let's check in with Court Klopping in the Storm Tracker Center for a look outdoors. What do we have going on today, Court?
Well, Julia, today we're seeing a brisk start to the day for most of us along I-5. It's a little bit of a different story in the valley, but what we're also going to be seeing is sunshine and warm temperatures this afternoon, above average highs later on today. So getting a look at what's in store for us moving forward, the last day of 2020 is expected to be mostly dry after we see that last night in the Wednesday night time frame with a little shower activity, and then we do see wetter weather on the way for that first weekend of 2021, and we love to see that wet weather moving through. Temperatures early on today, as I mentioned, a pretty big disparity right now between areas of the Butte County Valley and what we're seeing along I-5. Low to mid 40s along I-5 right now for the most part, but some areas like Redding in the mid to high 40s, 47 degrees there, 37 degrees right now in Chico. Chico has been fluctuating pretty quickly as the winds pick up and drop off. So we have gotten down to around 32 degrees early on, 41 right now in Orville, 30s to low 40s in the foothills, teens to 20s in the mountains early on today. And Alturas did drop to 9 degrees briefly overnight. Meanwhile, here's a look at the wind at the moment. You can see it's out of the north to 13 miles an hour right now in Red Bluff, 8 miles an hour in Redding. Chico now up to 6 miles an hour, but Chico has seen lighter winds for the most part overnight. That's why we're seeing Chico in the 30s while the rest of the valley still in the 40s. Satellite and radar. Clear skies overhead this morning. That's not changing as we head into your afternoon. We've got high pressure parked off the coast right now. That's keeping us warm and dry today. But moving forward, we've got this area of low pressure tracking towards the Pacific Northwest. And what that's going to do for us is leave us with increasing clouds moving in for tomorrow, and then showers not far behind. You can see the main impact from the system is to our north, but we'll see some showers swinging through Wednesday night and through very early Thursday. We're mostly dry for New Year's Eve on Thursday. Mostly dry for New Year's Day on Friday, and then Friday night, that's when we see that next round of rain and snow returning. Snow levels looking to be down to 2,500 feet tomorrow, but getting higher as we head through that weekend forecast, and we do see showers continuing into Sunday and potentially Monday. So getting a look at that first shot of rain Wednesday night. Most valley areas seeing less than 2/10 of an inch, a little bit more than that in some mountain areas. So this isn't a huge storm system we're talking about here. But then heading into Friday through this weekend, that's when those totals really pile up. Over an inch of rain projected right now for Orville and Chico, up to around an inch for Redding. Higher elevations looking at around 2.5 inches plus in some areas. That's great news. Meanwhile, a couple inches of snow possible Wednesday night through early Thursday. This weekend, snow levels are going to be higher, so we're not going to see the accumulation rising like we did with that system after Christmas. But then getting a look at what we're seeing for today. Fog and frost possible in the morning for the northern mountains, and then sunny for your afternoon. Mostly 50s for your high temperatures. Mostly 40s in the Sierra and Cascades today. We'll see temperatures at 46 degrees in Mineral, 45 degrees in Bernie. Foothill areas expecting to see high 40s to high 50s for your Tuesday afternoon with sunny skies. And if you're in the valley, it's sunshine on the way and breezy north winds. Temperatures in the low 60s for the northern zones, upper 50s to lower 60s in the mid-valley for your Tuesday afternoon. Getting a look at your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast, where your weekend's always in view. Clouds increasing tomorrow with a little dip in temperatures. Showers Wednesday night, but wrapping up by early Thursday morning. New Year's Eve looking mostly dry and a little warmer, and then a little cooler with clouds increasing again on New Year's Day. After that, we'll see showers returning Friday night and more wet weather likely as we head through Saturday, Sunday, and Monday in your extended forecast. Julia, those low temperatures getting a little warmer as the rain heads through. High temperatures, though, staying in those low to mid 50s for this weekend.